Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin has come down into my support area here, the target area that I defined, I think it was already a week ago roughly, for this wave 2 correction. Yeah, it did in the meantime not really look like it anymore, that we're getting there, but we finally got there. And yesterday in my last update, when we were up here around 16,550, I made you aware that this very much looks like a W, X, Y structure, and that in this Y wave we are doing an A, B, C, which suggests that there should be an impulsive sell-off be following, because a C wave is an impulse, even though it's an impulse in a correction, and it basically shows that, right? Quite an impulsive sell-off, and I showed you the wave count here, that this should unfold in 5 waves. So we obviously need to readjust that, but it looks like this was a 1, this was a 2, this here was probably a 3, this could have been a 4, and the 5th wave might still be coming. This does not yet necessarily look finished. Could be there is one more leg to come. Target for that could be around, or let me first see how high the wave 4 can really go in an ideal world. So we take the retracement here. And well, it has now reached the ideal retracement for a wave 4, or the ideal target for a wave 4, here the 16.2k level. As a maximum, it can move up to 16,270, which is the 50% fib level. If it goes above that, it would suggest that this decline is already over, because it shouldn't really go below, or it shouldn't really retrace more than the 50% fib level as a wave 4. So target for the 5th wave, just roughly to give you some guidance here, that could be between, well, 16k, yeah, and 15,930 measured from the current high. So if we push a bit higher, the target might shift a bit higher as well. But generally you need to understand that Bitcoin can use the entire area for this wave 2 without invalidating a possible short-term bullish setup, because all this is possibly, it's a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 to the downside at the moment, as long as we're holding the 15.7k level. If we lose that level, I'm going to expect new lows. Don't get me wrong, we're expecting new lows for Bitcoin anyway, but the thing is, first, it looks like, or it looked like and still looks like, because if we're not doing anything that's not expected, it looks like we have some short-term upside potential first. Yeah, to realize that, we would need to break above 16.8k and could then move up into the region around 18 to 19k. But of course, for that we need to finish off this decline, need to reverse, need to hold the 15.7k level. And what would be the first indication that we are moving up again? Well, ideally, what we want to see is a 5-wave move above the low of the wave A, so above 16,387. So as soon as we get above that level, it will be a strong indication that the low is in. Better indication would be a move above 16,600, and then of course here the 16.8k level. That would be important. Now I could also possibly move the wave X here. It wouldn't make a great difference, to be honest, but actually I think it fits better here, because it looks really like a C wave that's happening here. Yeah. But yeah, that's where we are currently. Yeah. So you should know the important levels by now. And should we really break below 15.7k, I did say that before, if we do that, then you can count all of this move here as a triangle, as some kind of a triangle, and we would then quite swiftly move down into the region around 14 to 14.5k. And in this area, I at the moment expect the bear market low target for Bitcoin. Yeah, we need to take it level by level for Bitcoin. So I can't guarantee you that the bear market will be over there. It all depends on, this is the next support area, but yeah, so it's the next key support area, and it depends on how does the price react to this key level. And if the price reacts bullish from there, yeah, we see 5-wave advance from there and so on, that would then be a signal that the low is in. But if it doesn't really react, you know, we have to expect lower levels. And if we break it anyway, then we're looking at 10.5K and maybe lower for Bitcoin. But I don't see that at the moment. We need to take it level by level, okay? Because with any low, Bitcoin could now complete the bear market. It has, from anything it does, you know, in this correction, it has done enough. It has retraced enough. It doesn't need to retrace anymore. Going by the rules of market structure, it doesn't need to go any lower. It has done enough. But of course, it doesn't mean it has to turn around now. It can still go lower. That's why we still expect it as well. Also because the Elliott Wave count still suggests one more leg down. Okay. But yeah, first, ideally, we see some short-term upside. We don't need to, but as long as we're holding 15.7K, I would expect that into the region around 18 to 19K and then to come down. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.